finally, with her surprise, he got cleansed. He got presidential award, that guy, and he went on to become the CEO of a company.
Oh, that's funny.
So then now she's heading that the company where Hewlin works. She did so much cleaning. Now he said, your purpose is to cleanse. Keep on doing cleansing for others. So cleansing woman.
Is Dr. Human
Yeah. In America, yeah, he's in San Diego.
So there are 7 techniques like this cleansing.
Yeah.
There are 2 done.
No, there are many techniques. I taught you the two of them, and the other thing is the first one. What is going on in me? That maybe you say what is going on in me that my daughter has asked me. Let all these unwanted energies, vibrations, be transmuted to pure light, and it is done. When you keep on saying and do the breathing,
Yeah.
you will see the drastic improvement.
అది రహస్యం.
You will see it. That's it. See, all these things works.
Is it like we're giving it?
Hmm?
We're giving the body more energy to fight it.
More energy, yeah. And there are proven systems. There are proven people came out of even the deadliest diseases. So everything works.
Is it just disease that it cures it?
Anything, any mental problem, not only disease, the relationship or anything happens.
చెప్పాను కదా ఆవిడ గురించి చేద్దాం ఇవాళ.
Okay.
హ్యూమర్ చెప్పాను కదా ప్రతిష్టాను.
And
చేద్దాం అందరం
It's
కలిసి.
recorded in our ancient Indian Shastra somewhere.
Yes.
Many of our old scriptures are somewhere. Is something like this is there or it was not there?
see, we have a lot of techniques in ancient India. I'll tell you a small thing. Okay. How many of you do the puja every day? There is one mantra, the starting mantra. Okay. When you sit, do homam or japam or tapam or whatever you do, what you say? Uttishtantu bhuta pisacha ete bhumi baraka etesham avirodhena brahma karma samarabhe. Oh God, I am starting this. Let me cleanse this place from all negativity, all memories. Cleansed. Then they start the puja. So each and every Om apavitra pavitro va sarvavasthangato va Esmaret pundarikaksham sa bahya abhyantara suchihi. What is bahya abhyantara? Bahya means external, abhyantara means inside. All the memories I am carrying outside and inside, let them be cleansed. These are all cleansing mantras. Unknowingly you have been doing. So now they expounded and pranayamam vinyogaha. What do you mean? They do Gayatri for each inhalation, one Gayatri, holding one Gayatri, exhalation one Gayatri.
Gayatri itself is a cleansing mantra, right?
Cleansing mantra. So what is happening there? So how many these memories you are cleansing by just inhaling and exhaling and holding? This will really help. Keep on doing this. Whenever you get a chance, keep doing.
That was my other question. When you are actually doing the normal pranayama, so that is what we do when we do Sandhyavandanam or anything.
Correct.
We do the same thing, holding it and then
Yes.
right. So what is the difference between this thing that we did, breathing it and holding it, and not doing it without Gayatri?
So Gayatri is a special. That is during Sandhyavandanam only you have to do that. Normal times you are not allowed to do it. Oh, thank you. So that is the thing.
Mudras.
Yeah. Second thing is mudras. And another technique is meditation. Meditation is another powerful technique. So that cleanses. So because we are doing the cleansing technique, why don't we practice meditation for 15 minutes? Yeah. Then we go to the mudras. You know how to do meditation?
Yes.
Yes. So what you do is you cross your legs, you fold your hands,
So this Dhyan, that's not.
No, I want this. There is a reason. There is a reason for this. Why we keep this?
Which hand should go?
No, you just clasp fingers into fingers. Then close your eyes. You just observe your breath. Remember, no mantra chanting, no idol worship, imagination of masters, gods, gurus. No idol chant, mantra chanting, no idols, nothing. Just be with your breath. Breath is your guru. Breath. Just keep on observing the breath. The reason is why you do this is you forming a circuit, because you know energy passes through this. You want to fill the energy with the positivity. So if you want the positive energy to be accumulated in your system, you have to hold this. You want to form a positive circuit. You cross, you are filling your body with your supreme energy. Okay?
Say music.
Yeah.
Which track?
No, I will play it. Like there are a few things.
Oh, okay. No, same. Your CD is here.
Yeah, we can play that too. It's not-
Track
Which-
one.
yeah,
Track one.
track one. You can continue. Okay, any questions so far?
Yeah,
Do meditation for 15 minutes.
15, yeah, we shall do it for 15 minutes. And don't open your eyes till I give you instructions. I will give you instructions to come out of the meditation. Till that time, don't open your eyes. Whoever has glasses, please remove the glasses. And just sit calm.
What happens if different thoughts they come?
Yes. Thoughts will come because that is the nature of the mind. Right? So what we have to do is, as soon as thought comes, bring the attention back to your breath. So the moment you get more thoughts, just bring it back to your breath. So just focus on your breath.
Should we turn off the lights?
See, they are masters. So turning off light is the best thing you have to do. See, whenever we do meditation, we normally turn off all the lights. Because you see lot of experience happen in your meditation. So if you do it in darkness, that's when you see the lot of visions. If you can't sit on the floor for 15-20 minutes, you can sit on the chair. If you sit on the chair, just make sure you cross your legs like this.
Sitting against a wall.
Yeah, if you can't sit, you can lean against the wall. You can take the support of the wall if you
Can you
want.
stretch? Is it okay if I stretch?
Yes, you can stretch, but don't open your eyes. That is the only condition. See, if you feel like you want to stretch your legs during meditation, you can stretch. Okay? And another thing is, don't sleep.
But I thought if you were asleep, if you like normally like meditating and if you sleep through it, that was a good sign.
That's fine. Like after meditation, okay. During meditation, no. Try to sit straight, sit like a rock if you can.
There
If
are
it
some
hurts-
chairs at the back if you guys want. If you cannot sit on the ground, there are some chairs at the back.
You can sit in the chair or feel comfortable. What happens is if you can't sit on the floor, your attention goes to the pain rather than meditation. So when you sit like that, you need to cross leg. That's all. Okay. Let's experience, the mother of all experiences, meditation. Yeah. So till I say don't open your eyes, 10 or 15 minutes it passes by like that. I will give you instructions. Few more minutes. Don't open your eyes. Be with your breath. Don't open your eyes. Enjoy the silence within. That emptiness, that hollowness beyond all consciousness. Love your breath. Say love you and thank you to your breath for nurturing our lives. Please say to the breath, I love you, thank you, sorry for my forgetfulness. Love you, thank you. Breath is divine. Seek the blessings. O God, bless me, guide me, lead me, help me. I am your child. Help me to grow. Victory from weaknesses. Give me balanced mind, healthy growth, all-round development. Love, love, love. Hara dukkham, hara papam, hara sokam, hara sapam, hara rogam, hara bhayam, hara marim, hara dainyam, hara kshudram, hara 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 hara, hara hara swalpa buddhim hara, hara hara kshudra buddhim hara, dharaya dharaya mahati buddhim dharaya, mangalam, saubhagyam, आरोग्यम सिद्धिम वृद्धिम गुरु कृपा आविर्भवतु मम जीवनम. Oh God, I love you. Thank you. Now pray for your family members, deceased. Pray for the well-being of whole universe. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति. If you have pain in any part of the body, please keep the hands on those parts. God will heal this body temple. Now, keep your hand, rub your hands slowly. Keep your hands on your eyes for few seconds. Let God cleanse this body temple. Now very gently, gently, gently open your eyes. So let's give a big clap for us. So good job for these guys. Very good. So had a good sleep? So how did you feel?
Electricity person. Like a current person.
That's good. So felt happy? So lot of cleansing happened. Your daughter burnt lot of forest in her past life and suffocated many animals and people. That is the cause of her asthma.
So when I cleanse, so how do you do the cleansing? Do you take their name or you imagine their image and do it? How do you
Just sit with them or just if you want, take their name, just chant their name and then
and do that 7
say I love you, thank you, love you, thank you.
when they are doing the breathing, just keep remembering their name.
Names, yes. Only once, then you will know.
Only once a day or like
No, keep doing many times
many times.
based on the severity of the situation. If you go do more breathings and meditation, suppose if you want the people to be cleansed, the deceased people or like those who wants relief from their problems, you sit with them and do more meditation. And it will really help. More breathing, more words, more meditation. These are all cleansing tools.
You mentioned about the daily routine.
Oh yes. Daily routine, I'll tell you, this is very important. As soon as before going to sleep, whatever the mantra I've given, if you want to have a good sleep, one is Om Agasti Shayana. That is a mantra for a good sleep, deep sleep. And also, clasp your hands before going to sleep. Just keep observing your breath. Just be with your breath. Let vibration sink in. Then naturally you slip into sleep. So this is first thing. And be grateful for everything you had for that day to the divinity and say thank you for this day. And then go to sleep. As soon as you get up from the bed, you say thank you for this day, God. I am grateful and thankful that this day, blessed with for this day. And then thank the bed that supported you. And then what you do is, as soon as you get up, before landing, you say, love you, Mother Earth. That's the reason we had a prayer to Samudra Vasane Devi Parvata Sakhanamandana. Vishnu Patnim Namastubyam Padasparsa Kshamaswam. So, and then the entire universe thank. Then other thing is, what you have to do is, you have to do 5 stretches. As soon as you get up from the bed, what you do is, do this, and then bend right, and then bend left. Okay? Then do this. The rotation, see this? This is the second. Third one is hand stretching. Okay, hand stretching. This is third one. The fourth one, this is a critical part. Those who are suffering from back pain, this relieves a lot. You see this spinal cord? I'm having 2 fingers. And then say, immediately close your eyes and then bend forward. Then again, you see, breathe in, then close your eyes. Okay? Then, you see, stretch. This routine should be followed as soon as you get up. Okay, these 5 things will help you rejuvenate. Okay, so then you jump on to any routine. Do lot of things. And mudras. I am touching on mudras. Mudras are very powerful and easy techniques which everybody should learn. There's a file under VA folder, Mudra file. The basic mudras, they are based on these 5 fingers. Okay, this is the secret. You can sit here. Everybody can see. Otherwise, this is the fire element. What is this? Fire. This is wind. This is wind. What is this? Fire, wind, and this is Akasha. Okay? Ether element is Akasha. And this is earth element. This is water. Water, earth, Akasha, Vayu, and fire. Okay? So, Jalam,
Chala.
Prithvi,
Prithvi.
then Akasha, Vayu, Agni. So, these 5 elements are very important elements. Okay? Now, what we do is, see all these 4 elements, when it is interacted with this fire element, that's when it causes great results. Suppose you have a bloating, all the gastric problems. What you do is, you press this. This 4 fingers should come at the bottom of this thumb. And these 3 fingers straight and thumb on the finger. Okay? This is called Vayu Mudra. What it does? Bloating, all the air diseases caused by air, bloating, gas, gastric troubles, all these troubles will be removed by just doing this.
So is it in both hands or just one hand?
See, the mudra, whenever you do mudras, you have to do with both hands. And these remaining fingers should be as straight as possible. Yeah, see, you do this. Okay? And you can keep it like this for 15, 10 minutes, 20 minutes like that. Okay? For the weight loss, for the cholesterol, all these problems, this is earth element. You see? Surya Mudra. This is called Surya Mudra. Okay? This is opposite to Surya Mudra. This is called Prithvi Mudra. Prithvi means when the body is weak, you need more energy. Okay? So, this is the Prithvi Mudra. This is Surya Mudra. You see that? For cholesterol, overweight problems, weight problems, cholesterol problems. If you keep this like this for 10, 15, 20 minutes every day.
So do you meditate while you're keeping it like
Yeah,
this,
you
or-
can meditate while keeping this. So it's two purposes. Two birds in one shot. Yes. This is really very, very helpful. What is written there? Benefits. What are the benefits?
Reduces cholesterol.
Reduces cholesterol
Helps
and
in reducing
reduces
weight.
anxiety. What else?
Anxiety, indigestion problems.
So it is all earth related.
ఇలాగే పెట్టుకోవాలి.
Okay. Suppose body is weak.
ఇది ఇలా ఉందా? ఇలాగా లేకపోతే ఇలాగా?
Just touch these two fingers. This is called Prithvi Mudra. Prithvi. Some people have a very bad constipation problem. This mudra which I am going to show you is called Surabhi Mudra. This is the ancient technique. It is a bit complicated, but I'll show you. This will be used for all stomach related problems. It is not here
That's right.
because this is very complex. Slowly observe this. Okay, you have this finger, right? The jala finger, this is little finger will touch the ring finger, and this ring finger will touch. Okay, and then index finger will touch Akasha, and then this will touch this. Did you understand?
Can you repeat the steps? Can you repeat the steps once again?
Okay. This is, see, 10 fingers, right? What you do is, this will help you. That's the reason.
For the asthma.
Asthma. This is very asthma and
Stomach.
this stomach related problem. Both jala. This is, see, the little finger touch the ring finger, and this ring finger touch the opposite little finger. Till this part is okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Same way, this forefinger will touch the middle finger, and this will touch this finger.
ఏంటంటే
Okay?
ఇది ఈ రెండు రైటే కదా లిటిల్ ఫింగర్ ఇదిగో ఇది
I thought I got it.
ఈ రెండు
Okay. The easiest.
ఆల్టర్నేట్ ఓకే ఈ రెండు ఇలా ఇలా సరిగ్గానే ఉన్నాయి
That's the middle finger.
Ah,
The little
okay.
finger.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
So what you do is, you do this.
లైక్ దిస్
Okay?
Right hand. Little finger.
Can you understand this?
Right hand and little finger.
Till here.
Middle finger.
Little finger of one hand goes to the ring finger of other hand. Okay? That is the main purpose.
సరిగ్గానే ఉందా
In the video, the ring finger.
Yeah, yes, that is perfect. Show them.
ஒரு little பாக்கி இருக்கு. அந்த இடத்துல வந்து
Yeah, that is.
index finger. So index will touch the middle finger.
Yes, perfect. That's it. That's it. And these two touch. These two touch.
ఇది right? ఇది ఇక్కడ ఇది ఇక్కడ This
Keep your hand like this.
left hand is it? Left hand. ముందు ఇది
The sense that
One part. Okay, but who is inside, who is outside?
అంటే అది నువ్వు అడ్జస్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి అక్కడ ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇది పెట్టి ఇది తెస్తా అవ్వదు ఇది పెట్టి
We have to tell the thumbs.
You have to adjust.
thumbs together too. Okay, now
How long is this again?
10 minutes.
10 minutes we hold like that. I think absolutely is better.
And also, the main thing is you have to do a little further. Yeah. Same but okay, it is not done yet. This is the first thing. Once you are done with this, then there are 3 more variations. Okay? Okay. Now come here. Show them. Okay. Hold it like that.
Oh, yeah.
Turn right side. Okay. So now, if you have a diarrhea or severe diarrhea or such problems, what you do is you bring this thumb to the bottom portion of this little finger. This thumb to the bottom portion of this finger.
Okay, I already missed one finger.
Oh, ఇది
Huh?
అలాగా.
Yes.
Okay, I got it.
That's correct. Yeah.
Okay.
So see bottom portion of show.
Okay, this
See
one,
bottom portion of
This
this
one?
thumb
This one,
should
this one,
touch the
This thumb?
little finger.
this one goes here.
This also should
and
touch
that
the
one
little
goes
finger.
the other finger like that.
And diarrhea will be stopped
How many,
immediately. Don't never ever use the medicines for because most of the things can be eliminated by just doing the mudras. Okay? So by just touching this thumb to the little finger and this thumb to the little finger, this is called Jala Surabhi Mudra. Jala Surabhi Mudra.
The mudra is so difficult, you either way forget about diarrhea.
Forget you forget it.
And
You get to work, okay? So,
the other mudra is
There's my
those who
grandson.
have severe hearing problems. Those who have severe hearing problems, what they can do is remove it and touch the middle finger,
And the bottom.
bottom of the middle finger. The same mudra, you touch
On
the
both
bottom
hands.
on both hands, bottom of the middle finger, then hearing problems will be gone.
Huh?
Yes. See, you should learn from her.
She got it?
Yeah, she got it.
I got all of them. Got all?
Okay. And those who have weakness, severe weakness in the system, okay, don't use vitamins and all these things because don't get accustomed to that. Ring finger. Good.
Oh, so it goes to the.
Bottom of this.
Oh, so you touch the ring.
Oh, that's how you confuse your body.
And see this.
Okay.
Yep. And if you have a severe gastric problems, acid reflux, somebody asked me.
Your body will be like, wait.
Acid refluxes, severe gastro, all those problems. What you do is bring this finger to the bottom of this forefinger,
Oh, index.
index finger. Acid refluxes and all this. Yes.
Acid reflexes on the bottom. On the index finger.
See, this thumb should touch the forefinger, bottom of the forefinger.
So, but it's not cross,
Probably
right?
you're
It's
touching
not
the
cross.
finger.
It's not cross like this, right? It's the same hand.
Yeah, left hand. Take a left hand, okay?
It is
Right
not
hand
crossed,
like this.
same
Okay,
hand.
a ring finger and pinky में. Left hand का ring finger और pinky में. Okay, right hand का pinky, left hand का ring
Diarrhea.
finger में.
Pinky is diarrhea.
हाँ,
Constipation.
then you do the final left का that's it.
Hearing problem.
Okay, you keep
This
practicing
finger is
that.
for,
Once
all,
you do steadily,
air related acid
then you
reflux.
move this thumb here. Oh, this is one thumb. I see. Basically. Different things. For diarrhea and all those things. That's it. Maybe you can practice this one. Yeah, practice. I got it. See, I have problem with indigestion. Diarrhea.
Okay? But you can help
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
So,
I'll teach her.
but it will improve a lot of your health. And you do
Experts are
7 breathing.
7 for asthma.
Yeah,
I tell that 4 things and breathing 7, 7, 7, 7.
it will really
Any
help.
number of 7, right? Any multiples of 7.
Multiple substances.
And I don't think of anything at that time.
No, don't think, just do it. It will take care of it.
Hope
I
so.
still have a
Yeah.
So, are the mudras done? Mudras are done? Can I ask?
No, they're still there. Okay. And this is called, if there is no water in your body, you want to increase the water quantity. This is the mudra. Just touch.
What is that mudra?
Varuna mudra.
Varuna mudra. Okay. Pinky and
Pinky, yeah,
thumb.
pinky and this.
Thumb. Okay.
It's called Varuna mudra because there is no water in your
But
system.
గోర్ ఐ థింక్ ఈ గోర్ మీద పెట్టాలనుకుంటాం కదా అలాగా
Yeah, I'll share this.
ఇలాగానే లేకపోతే
It
ఇలాగానే
clears
Gold
your
touch
blood
gold.
stream.
కదా
This is very important.
One more thing, the nails should not be touched. Only
Yeah,
the skin.
nails should not be touched. It should don't
Only
touch
the
with
skin.
the
బట్
nails.
ఫోటోలో అలాగే
Only the
Only
skin
the
part.
skin. The nails should not be touched.
ఓకే
Don't touch with the finger. I mean nails. So this is the main part. The clarity in blood. This is the very powerful of this one. And this will also helps in your problem with diarrhea.
So
All those pains.
one more thing is, if something is in low quantity, you will touch this one. If something is in excess, you will touch this one.
You got the point.
So basically,
See,
for
if
air or
you
anything,
want to
right?
increase anything,
If you just touch
touch
this
this
one,
way.
If you want
if you
to
are low in
decrease
that,
the
if you are in
problem,
excess, you
do
just
this.
touch this.
Suppose I have excessive water.
ఇలా అన్నమాట
I want to reduce the water in my body. What you do is,
Which one is that?
suppose there is more water in the body, you want to remove the water. What you do
ఐ
is,
థింక్ ఐ డు
so now tell me quiz program. Suppose if you have a more air in your body, what will you do to reduce the air?
What's Vayu Mudra?
This is Vayu Mudra.
What's Vayu Mudra?
Okay, now suppose you have a hearing problem. In the airplane, when you take off and land, you get that ear problem, right? Wow, how to prevent that problem?
Like this.
He is correct. Give it to him.
ఆకాశ
Akash Mudra. Okay? So, middle finger. This will reduce your hearing problem. Suppose you want to increase the hearing frequency. What you do is just touch this.
Which one is that?
Middle finger. Okay. So now you want to reduce the weight. Which finger?
Also, yes, right?
రెడ్యూస్ ద
Reduce the weight.
oh
Surya Mudra. She is right. See. The second one, ring finger. See, anything you want to reduce, touch here. You want to increase the weight?
oh you don't want to
So weakness, if you are weak, this will help. So fundamental point is you want to increase, touch it, decrease, hold it, bend it.
Only with the ring finger? Anything or like
Anything, like anything. Okay?
Like this.
And in winter, mainly in winter, you forgot the coat
Again like this.
and you feel cold outside and you forgot the coat. What will you do? This is called Linga Mudra. There is called Linga Mudra, and this will also help. Linga Mudra is, this is very interesting. The left hand thumb should be surrounded by the right hand thumb,
So it's like that.
and the left hand thumb should stand straight.
Oh.
Okay, you clasp your hands.
So right hand
Yeah,
goes at the bottom.
right.
see, without knowing we do this only, right?
Yes. And see, you have to hold this. This is called Linga Mudra. Close to your heart. It will increase the heat energy in your body. Even if you don't have a coat, then it will improve. You will survive. If you do it for 10 minutes, severe heat will be generated in your body.
You have to sit like this and meditate.
Yes. And if you do it for 30 minutes, your family members can cook chapatis. So be careful with this mudra. And the Shank Mudra, I already told you, this is for kids. Improve their appetite, their concentration, and also remove stammering and stuttering, the speech problems. What we do is, anybody remembers? Yes. Okay. Yeah, that's good. So you hold this thumb, twist, touch. Shank
Which
Mudra.
finger should touch?
All the fingers. All the fingers. See, left thumb, you hold it, twist, and with this thumb, you touch it. This is called Shank Mudra. Any problems here? And teach all the children, please. Sangeetam. You have to teach everybody because Sangeetam will improve. Because the tonal quality will improve because of the Shank Mudra. This is very powerful mudra. And those who want to become a public speakers, orators, Shank Mudra. Presidential debates, Shank Mudra. Okay.
The person who talks a lot, what mudra they have?
Mauna Mudra.
This is more mudra.
This is called Linga Mudra. You see that? So there is one condition here. It can cause severe sweating in winter if you practice it longer, because a lot of heat is generated.
So you
Because
can turn the heating off. Your husband is going to
so that's why I said
can do for 30
asthma
minutes.
asthma
You can
problems.
save money.
This is
That's for good for asthma.
this is for good for asthma.
You can save on gas.
And for kids and everybody, this is for everybody. Universal Mudra. When you are tired,
Left, right.
come from work and you get tired,
Oh, this is.
what you do is, this is called Prana Mudra.
इसको पूरा ऐसा करना. No,
Prana.
just hold it.
Whenever you get tired,
Right
This is
thing.
called
Left,
Prana Mudra.
left also you know.
it will instantly increase your energy levels.
What both the fingers?
Yes, both the
I mean, you
fingers.
hold it.
No caffeine is needed.
Thumbs like that.
Too much energy, do the
I don't want to keep
Yes, so much caffeine.
Okay? This is called Prana Mudra. Okay?
So each one, how long do you?
And there is a most powerful mudra. Yeah, 15-20 minutes. This you must teach entire world. This is very, 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 very important mudra. This is called Mrutyunjay Mudra. Okay, life-saving mudra.
Oh my.
Whoever wants to save the persons with a heart attack or with heart-related problems, or somebody asked me epilepsy. Who is that?
I asked.
You asked. Yeah, epilepsy and also Alzheimer's, all kind of diseases. This mudra is very, very crucial. You see, this, you hold it like this, and then
Oh, I always do this.
this is Vayu mudra and Apana mudra. This is called Apana mudra. You know what is Apana mudra? All menstrual problems for women, if you hold it like this, irregular periods, menstrual problems, pains, this will go away. This is very powerful. Okay?
This is
Comes in dance.
Yeah, dance.
what is this one?
This is Mrutyunjay mudra. This is what is a Vayu, Apana Vayu mudra. Actually, in the mudra terms, it's called Apana Vayu mudra. Vayu mudra and Apana Vayu.
What is that for?
Mrutyunjay, heart attacks, heart problems. You should teach everybody his heart problems.
So when happening that you can, if you do this, you can stop it
Yes.
when it's happening.
Yeah, if somebody is heart attack and they call 911, before 911 comes, he might die. We never know. This is a heart
Fold
disease.
that, you forcibly fold that.
Forcibly
hands to
fold his hands like this, he will be saved. This is guaranteed.
Can I
would
see?
rather put super glue.
Okay.
And all CPR team should be trained with this.
ఈ ఫింగర్ ఇలా ఇది ఇలాగా
Yeah, this is very,
అంతే.
and everybody should learn this
Jana?
because we never know. All the heart related problems, Alzheimer's. If you do this mudra, no worries about Alzheimer's, paralysis, Parkinson's, all these, heart problems. This is very powerful mudra. This is called Apana Vayu mudra. And another thing is migraines, headaches. These are common things in this world. For that, this is beautiful mudra, but this requires some practice. I don't know, these guys will do. This finger will come here.
Oh, I can do that. What is that?
రింగ్ ఫింగర్
The ring finger is folded and kept in the portion between thumb and this one, like that.
ఓకే లైక్ దట్
Yes.
So I can only do it in one hand.
No, two hands.
టూ హ్యాండ్స్ దే హ్యావ్ టు డూ ఇట్
It is little painful, but
So is
What is that for?
this okay?
headaches, severe headaches,
Oh, okay.
migraines.
Migraines.
But the nail is touching the skin. Is that
Hey, I did
Perfect. On both hands.
nice.
And you need to hold these, is it?
Yes.
These two.
Okay, now
Okay,
I got it.
got it? This is for headaches, migraines, and all head related.
Head relation.
Okay.
Sinus?
Sinus.
Yes.
Yes, sinus. Okay. Now, even after doing this, your headache is not gone, migraine is not gone. There is a special place called here. If you see, there is a ball here. Press here, there will be ball. See? Here somewhere. Yeah, here. You see. Press it so hard, you forget the headache and you have.
Yeah, right here, yeah.
Doesn't
It's exactly done with Gendu bomb. It burns.
Yeah.
Sai, because
This one?
this pain is more than headache, that's why. Distraction from.
This is what is called just a second. Prithvi Vyana Mudra. It is not here. Prithvi Vyana Mudra. Okay, so this is very powerful for headaches. What is the other one? Yeah, you need to press this.
Yeah,
This
the
will
bar.
give the immediate relief for migraine.
I see.
Yeah.
If you have any problem,
Which hand?
severe headache,
Right hand or
normally left hand, but it doesn't matter which hand. But it will give immediate results.
So all these mudras have been since Vedic times. They had found this.
This is ancient technology. This is not new technology. This is our rishis have given, and nobody wants to learn it. In Sandhya Vandanam, there are 24 mudras. Everybody has to practice.
I can't find the ball.
But did we do that? There are so many thousands of mudras based on different conditions of health. This is a mudra shastra. It's a science, entire mudra science. So one must know at least these things if you start practicing. And Gnana Mudra, this is Gnana Mudra. If kids can do this for 45 minutes every day for 1 year, not all, he will be the genius, brilliant. So no
Just
question
ilagana?
about it.
Just
మన శూన్యం
జ్ఞానముద్ర
అదే అంటే
So
అంటే
when they
ఆత్మను
watch
దేవుడు
TV,
కలిస్తే జ్ఞానముద్ర
when they play games,
శివుడిది
శివుడిది అది
ask them to sit like this for 45 minutes. Hey, sit. That's it. If you don't sit for 45 minutes, no TV, no games, nothing.
ఈ ఏజ్ లో కూడా జ్ఞానం వస్తుందా
Even now, even for us, it's not only for kids. Even
So while we're watching movie,
serials, grand serials, mega serials. If you sit like this, then 1 hour will be passed like that.
బట్ ఆ సీరియల్ మీద నాలెడ్జ్ ఎక్కువైపోతుంది
So this will be very helpful. This is called Jnana Mudra. So there are different mudras. Did you see what you call that? When they perform puja, have you seen that?
Yes.
Digbandaha. Did you see that? Prashtabhyam. So what are all these? These are all mudras. Energizing technology. So everybody should learn all these techniques.
అన్ని వెబ్లో ఉన్నాయండి
And I'm going to send this to everybody.
ఓకే
But this doesn't have few of them.
Hmm?
This doesn't have.
Yeah, this doesn't have the complex ones. I need to prepare for that. I'll prepare for that.
So is there any mudra for avoiding hair falling?
Oh, that's a great one. That's a great one. I need.
You know the
I
mudra?
need that too. That's what Ramdev says.
Yeah, one more mudra I forgot to tell you. Blood pressure, high blood pressure. I forgot to tell you. To control the blood pressure, whether it is a low blood pressure or high blood pressure.
That's what he does.
falling or becoming a grey color also, is there such thing?
Yeah, this is hair falling.
Sir, you are touching the nails, sir.
Touch the nails. Only 4.
for color there is Asian paints.
The bigger. Everybody
So-
is doing it now.
For blood pressure control, this is very important. Blood pressure control, it is called Meow Mudra.
Yeah. Okay.
Cat mudra. You see, what you do is, you fold the hands like this and push it in.
For what?
Listen. In a stressful world, this is very useful. Or else the simple
Every
way
day, you
is,
need this one every day.
keep these 2 fingers like this. See, fist, then release other fingers. That's it. This is easy. Meow Mudra. And hold it for 20 minutes.
But it is for high blood pressure, right?
High or low.
Oh, low
Balances the blood pressure.
Blood pressure, okay.
It balances the blood pressure. So anybody got it? Everybody? Yeah. See. Press it. Fingers. This is the part the pressure should come. This part. So you fold it and press it. Yes. Straight. Yep. This is hard, but it works. You need blood pressure balance. So no medication. is required if you do this. 20 minutes a day.
How about arthritis?
This one.
Arthritis.
No, the earlier he
Yoga.
showed yoga, right?
Yoga?
Yeah, that's a yoga.
Yoga. See, arthritis, the best technique is,
Yeah.
and you, when you do this arthritis, you do the Prithvi Mudra. Prithvi, the second finger. Sorry, Surya Mudra. Sorry, Surya Mudra. Ring finger. You do this. If you can hold like this for few seconds, it will really help. I tell you, arthritis, it is the panacea. It is the beautiful exercise.
But for rheumatoid arthritis also it will work.
All arthritis. And biostat, I take the thing I told you. I am my biostat is 25 years.
Yeah.
You do that.